Saitama fans, mystery has been finally resolved. Statement regarding the Lily Finance termination of agreement with Saitama on 2/10/2022. Hello and welcome to a place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, you have guessed it, we will be talking about Saitama. And of course, by the end of this video, I will be providing you with the all-awaited price prediction regarding Saitama, guys. So if you want to find out where this dot is gonna go from here, make sure you stick around till the end, because I would not want you to miss out on the freshest and most hottest news that we have prepared for you in this video. But before we go to the news, let me share some interesting stats with you. At the moment, the value of Saitama is 0.702148. And that's actually a drop in the amount of 18.66%, guys. And the trading up volume is up by almost 100%, guys, 91.31%. Now let us take a look at the chart. And yes, as you all can see, the chart is mostly in the red. We did start the day in the green, but after that it dropped below 70259, and it got all the way down to the support level, folks. And now it's in here. And where it's gonna go from here, stay tuned if you wish to find out. Now let's go over the news that I started the video with. Now there was a certain amount of chatter regarding Lily Finance and Saitama and what's going on there. Here is your answer, guys. Saitama's priority to provide the best user experience of saitamask as premier platform and ecosystem. We will not launch futures until we are confident in their functionality. A part of the process to build a safe, high-quality experience, we delayed the launch of some futures, including the swap function, which caused a delay in the launch of Lily. While we do expect to fully launch the swap function soon, that's actually got angry of most of the fans of Saitama, guys. The swap function of saitamask is still not working. Lily made the decision to explore alternatives to their launch. We were surprised and disappointed by Lily Finance's immediate termination of business partnership. While we review our legal options, Saitama LLC will continue to move forward by doing what's best for our community. Now, I am sure that they are doing what's best for the community, but things are not looking good for Saitama's value at this point. And if we take a look at the last 7-day chart, they were spiking in green, but they did drop, and they did drop very drastically in the last 24 hours, guys. Now let us look at the all-time high Saitama had back on November 16, 2021. They are actually 92.22% away from that all-time high, guys. And with this pace, I'm not sure that they will be reaching it anytime soon. I'm not convinced, just that. Now, let's go over some other news, guys. Now, you do remember from the previous video about announcement for that Saita reality token. Of course, there's a word about saitamask still not being functional. Now let's go over that Saita reality token as well. The Saitama team would like to formally announce and share a sneak peek of Saita reality. This new token will form part of Saitama ecosystem and will take real-world real estate on Web3. Saita reality will be available exclusively on saitamask. We will be releasing additional information on launch soon. Please stay tuned for a YouTube live announcement where we share most about Saita reality token and its utility. Now, most of the people in the Saitama community were discussing this token released, and some of them actually stated that this is just a mask for the Lily deal gone wrong. So let's take a look at some of the posts that were made regarding this. This week will be monumental for Saitama. Indeed it is, a monumental disaster. So this is a post from one disappointed fan. Been in this project since October and they've really destroyed everything. I still had faith, but slowly losing hope. Honestly, I don't think that the app will ever really start working as planned. They just so much time to get this going. Remember, every wallet has an issue with front-running bots, and I'm not even sure if that can be controlled within the app. As it happens to the blockchain, when the transaction is waiting for confirmation, there have just been so many things going wrong for me. Now, check out the comments, guys. At least we dodged the Lily bullet, so nobody ever had faith in that lily. I honestly think it was always a bullet, and had the relationship gone sour, the Wolfpack would have blindly opted into the bullet's trajectory. It's all a bit dramatic, but I'm honestly glad that BC of this drama, so many investors won't be putting their money into that cash grab. So hey, there's a silver lining, and yes, indeed there is a silver lining for this. But let us check the graph for the last 7 days. I've actually shown you this already, but check this out, guys. Saitama was trading at 702.46 all week long. This was something that they kept steady, but after this they crashed down. Now, before I tell you the price prediction, I would also need to tell you that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are looking to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, with all the news I have provided you guys, with everything you have just saw and the things happening with saitamask, I can say with almost 100% certainty that this price is not going to come out of the red zone anytime soon, anytime in the near future. So if you were thinking of entering Saitama market, I would advise you to wait a bit more, guys, because let's at least wait while it spikes and holds on the green. If you like this video, please share, and thank you for viewing.